Yo, good day guys. Today I'm going to show you this GoPro Hero 7 Black. I have been using this for more than a year now, and yeah, it's still good, it's still working good, and GoPro Hero 7 Black is amazing. But as you notice that the power button here is almost, you can see that, and the worst thing is the one on the top. It's already broken, so I take it off and I replace it with this kind of plastic. This plastic is actually part of the grocery bag from Walmart. I just cut that and paste it in here. Yeah, so that's how I do it. And if you can see here, if I press this, it is going to record. Switch off. Yeah, so yeah, if you have a broken GoPro button, you can do the same. Just make sure that you have this still open, and yeah, you just paste it with the glue. Yeah, GoPro Hero 7 Black is good. It's almost similar to the GoPro Hero 8. I have GoPro Hero 8, and already the glass of the my GoPro Hero 8 is already broken. Yeah, that's why here the good thing about GoPro Hero 7 Black is that this is removable, so you can easily replace it if you want a new one. So yeah, thank you for watching guys. Ciao.